Ọ bụ Chief Ogbonna Onyebuchi a na-anabata dịka onowu amụna n'aha nke Nna nke Ọkpara na nke Mmụọ Nsọ. Onye nke abụọ ga-achọ ka akpọlite wụ onye ode akwụkwọ nke Amụna Autonomous Community, Chief Ọjị Nwaọgụ. Ọkwa dịka iwu a si tụzie aka ka esi họpụta maazị a Ọjị Nwaọgụ ka ọ bụrụ our Palace Secretary. Chief Ọjị Nwaọgụ a na-ahọpụta dịka Palace Secretary n'aha nke Nna na nke Ọkpara na nke Mmụọ Nsọ.
Yes, the road is clear. Dịka agbaru nama, a na-enye na assurance of the day of time for that day. An arrangement has been made. Dịka the Palace Secretary will come in groups. Mana o nwere ndị achọrọ inye some recognition with the High Chief eburu ụzọ. Thank you very much. Thank you. I've been asked to take a lead. For a special person, the community dey service award, so that Omonike of Latin by Oga Liti, Omonike Oga so God know how to do. God know how to do. We want to call on Sir Ndubisi and Ogbonna. I think it will be represented by my son, by officer. Okay. Please. Hold on there. Sir Ndubisi and Ogbonna is here represented by one of his brothers, and Onyebuchi Ogbonna. We want to take a brief citation on Sir Ogbonna. The thing is on page 32. Sir and Lady Nan Ogbonna is popularly called initials Ndubisi Ogbonna, called Nan Omakala. Sir and Lady Nan Ogbonna are illustrious citizens of Ovim Autonomous Community. Both were public servants. Nan retired meritoriously as permanent secretary to commissioner in the Civil Service Commission of Abia State, and his wife as head of nursing department, Federal Medical Center, Umuahia. They are ardent, devoted, and committed Christians of the Anglican Church. He was knighted by the Church of St. Christopher. They were both active in the constructions of St. Discipline Anglican Church, Umuahia, and St. Cyprian Anglican Church, Ovim, Isukwato, and the support of religious leaders across many denominations. Sir and Lady Nan Ogbonna are active in Amune and Isukwato community development. He assisted our people in securing employment opportunities, both in the civil service and Federal Medical Center, Umuahia. He secured scholarships for many people. He was involved in clearing and grading to create Amune Ovim Avenue Road in Umuahia. In recognition of their sterling achievements and uprightness, they were presented with a distinguished service award by other state government. He has long resisted to accept any chieftaincy title, but now Amune today is honoring him with a community service award as we go back Amune to the glory of Akundu.
Sana Ogbonna dịka akụpụtara ọ bụ nwa Amune ji kamba o tiri ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ n'ọrụ ọ bụ ya ji mere ka eze si na private company gaa rụọ ọrụ na gọọmenti ọ bụ ya tiri n'ọrụ ọ bụ ya mere ka ugo eze mgbe o si na university pụta ọgwụ ka o nweta ọrụ na gọọmenti ọbụkwa naanị ya ọ dịkwa m na ọbịa tiri Onowu n'ọrụ and a lot of us nọ na public service o tiri anyị ka abịakwa rụrụ rụgide anyị ya bịa kọrọ anyị civil service rule anyị akparịala ya ka ga merie na gọọmenti eji anyị. So he's a man we need to recognize. So in the name of God, the Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, we present this community service award to him. Thank you very much.